In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Explore function of Google Sheets. Now, the Explore function might not be something you're familiar with, but it's there all the time, whether it be in Google Sheets or even in Google Docs. And so that's something that we wanted to make sure we pointed out to you, and it could be useful to you at times. The place you'll find the Explore button is right down here in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And if you select that, what you'll notice is that there is a window that pops up that has a bunch of different things about your data. Some of them here are asking questions about your data, and so there's already these stock questions right here, like what is the lowest rainfall in inches from your data. You can also type in your question in there as well, like maybe you want to type in what is the average rainfall, and Google Sheets will go through and give you the average rainfall, in this case of 8.788 inches. So there's a lot of useful functions here to look at your data and figure out what your data is telling you. And of course, sometimes a graph would be a great way to do that. And so you'll notice here that a graph has already been pre-created. And if that's something that you like and you want to use, you can then insert that into your spreadsheet. And then once you have that graph in your spreadsheet, you can go up and edit that chart and all the customization options of your data, as well as the chart pop up. And as we mentioned in a previous screencast, there's lots of customizations and things that you can do to your chart. So we just wanted to point out the Explore function and some of the different uses of Explore, which is in essence trying to go through and find out more specifics and information about your data.